Good morning, students. 6th Standard Science, Physics and Chemistry. Unit 2. Unit 2. Force and motion. What is force? The external agency, push or pull, is called force. Okay. That push or pull are both involved when there is a motion. Okay, students, today we see the topic types of motion. Types of motion. Based on Bath, the motion is classified into 6 types. Okay, based on Bath, the motion is classified into 6 types. First one, linear motion. Second, curve linear motion. Third, circular motion. Fourth one, rotatory motion. Fifth one, oscillatory motion. And finally, sixth one, zigzag, irregular motion. Students, first we see the topic linear motion. Motion in straight line. Motion in straight line. Okay. Example, the person walking on a straight line. Person walking on a straight line. Straight path. Okay. Then second, curvilinear motion. Motion of a body. Curvilinear motion of a body moving ahead but changing direction. Okay, motion of a body moving ahead but changing direction. Okay, but changing direction. Example, motion of a ball thrown. Okay, ball thrown. Okay, students. Okay, then third one, circular motion. Motion in a circle. Okay, here we see example, athlete running around the track. Athlete running around a track. Okay, athlete running around a track. It is a circle path. Okay, students. Then we see rotatory motion. Motion of a body about its own axis. Motion of a body about its own axis. Example, rotating top. Okay, rotating top. Okay, students. Okay, then we see oscillatory motion. A body coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. Okay, here we see a pendulum. Okay, here we see a pendulum coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. Okay, students, it is a oscillatory motion. Okay. Then we see final motion, zigzag or irregular motion. Okay, the motion of a body in different direction. Okay, the motion of body in different direction. Here we see it is a body. Okay, the body moving in a different direction. Okay, move in all direction. Okay, example, people walking in a crowded street. Okay, students, here we do an activity. Shantini took a pencil and sharpened with the sharpener. Okay, then she drew a circle using the pencil and compass. Okay, then third, later she took her ruler and drew a straight line in another paper. Okay, then fourth one, she kept the pencil between her fingers and moved it back and forth. Pencil move back and forth. Okay, students. Okay, students, in the first case, the pencil rotated in its axis. Okay, so it is a rotational motion. Students, in the first case, the pencil rotated in its axis. It is a rotational motion. Then in second case, it went in a circle. Okay, circle. So it is a circle motion. So it is a circular motion. Okay, students. Then we see in the third case, the pencil traveled in a straight line. The pencil traveled in a straight line. Using ruler, we line just straight. Okay, so it is a linear motion. Linear motion. Okay, then fourth one, the pencil tip moved back and forth. Back and forth. Okay, that is, it is a oscillator like a swing. So it is a oscillatory motion. Okay, here we see oscillatory motion. First one, rotational motion, circular motion. It is a linear motion. Here it is a oscillatory motion. Do you follow? Okay. Students, see that picture. Throw a paper aeroplane. Throw a paper aeroplane or paper dot. Okay, paper dot. Students, watch its flight path when you throw it at an angle. Okay, the path curves. Okay, the path curves. Okay, that is, the paper flight is moving ahead, but its direction is changing while moving. Okay, such paths are called curvilinear. It is a curvilinear motion. Okay, students. Okay, students, here we see a fly buzzing around the room is the combination of all these motions, and flight path is zigzag. Here we see it is a random motion. Here we see move in all direction or in any direction. So it is a zigzag or irregular motion. Okay, students. Students, here we see another one activity. First, it is a fly in a straight line. So the bee move in straight line. So it is a linear motion. Here we see it is a, this path is a, yes, it is a curvilinear motion. Okay, students. Here it is the circle. Okay, it is a circular motion. Here the bee, yes, what motion? Yes, it is a zigzag or irregular motion. Okay, students. Here we see it is, yes, back and forth, a body coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. So it is a, here a bee coming back to the same position after a fixed time interval. So it is a oscillatory motion. Students, here we see first one linear motion, second one curvilinear motion, third one circular motion, fourth one zigzag or irregular motion, and fifth one, it is a oscillatory motion. Okay, students. Do you follow this? Okay, students, thank you.